My name's Corra, and this is Corra's Cooking Show. Today we are making delicious scrambled eggs. So come with me, let's get cooking! Now before we do any of this stuff, we always have to wash our hands first. Use your hands and scrub really good. So the ingredients we need today is eggs, a spoon, a fork, some shredded cheese, salt and pepper, milk and butter. First we start with the eggs, and you want to make sure you have no shells in your eggs. Sometimes your hands can get messy, and that's okay. That's part of cooking. Get out of there. I'm trying to cook here. Hey Daddy, could you help me?
Sure, I'd love to help you.
You want to give it a hard crack, like boom. There, that's the ticket.
Chickens!
You need pouring some milk with it. And now, after you pour the milk in, then you whisk it. The good tip of whisking is that you never want to use a spoon for this because that will make it harder to whisk. The trick is you always want to use a fork. Now is a good time to add a little salt and pepper. The salt and pepper shakers always come with either a P or an S on it. If it doesn't, it will either say pepper or salt. And then I'm whisking a little more. And there, now it looks good and tasty and fresh. Now we're gonna move over to the stove. So we're over here at the stove, and before we got started, I've got 2 safety tips for you. First, if you're a girl, you do not want to get your hair caught on fire when you're ever by the stove. So keep your hair up like I have it. And also, if you think that you're able to generate a stove, no. You need an adult, a daddy, a mama, or someone who's been generating a stove for like a million years now. So now I'm gonna call my daddy over to start the pan up for me. Daddy? Okay, and then second you need some butter. I'm buttering the stove around so it will taste better and it will be better. You should use a non-stick pan because if you use a regular pan, then you will find your eggs up. They will just burn and stick. When I know when the butter's ready, I see that it's bubbling. So let's pour in the eggs now. And then you turn it down a little notch.
What should I turn it down to?
Medium. So I'm stirring this up. They're becoming very fluffy. If you want to do this like me, so I'm stirring this up, or Mama to give you instructions. Now that we are done scrambling all the eggs around, we need some cheesy goodness in there. Now that you're done sprinkling cheese, now that you fold the egg. Now that my daddy's done with these eggs cooking, now we can put them on the plate and I'll dig in. My favorite thing to drink with my eggs is milk. So now we're ready to dig in. Look at all that cheese in there. So good, I love it. I can taste the cheese, I can taste the salt and pepper. So I hope you can do this at your own house sometime, and I hope you can experience, you can do whatever you want with these eggs, and I hope you can watch the next video of us doing this. So make sure you hit that big subscribe button, give it a big thumbs up, and make sure you watch our next video. Bye!